What's up everyone, it's Lee here, the rental guy, and today I want to introduce you to Frankenstein's monster. And that would be my LR23 skid steer. This is the skid steer here, it's an LR23 Chinese skid steer. Concrete block test to see if the battery will hold up. I have a portable battery inside like a trolling motor box hooked up to the winch on the top of a tent jack that's hooked to my skid steer that has a hitch receiver adapter on the end. Yeah, I jumped through a lot of hoops to get here. Don't crucify me for this. This is just well, video's sake. No one's out here doing this stuff. Or documenting it at least. Okay, so, I've got hitch stabilizer right there, but I don't have one down here yet. So if I add another hitch stabilizer there, that can stop it from going side to side, right? So that'll alleviate that problem. It's not perfect, but it is watertight. Like, this is a watertight marine battery, and everything's covered by rubber here. So it works as like a tent jack for Marquee tents. Say if I were going to go install something alone, which, lots of people say, hey, don't do anything alone, but I'm the king of alone. So anyways, this is my Frankenstein. So we have enough staff that we do Marquee tents pretty much by hand using the tent lift tool, which I've highlighted in a video recently. But I thought, you know what? I want to have capability to have a tent jack with my skid steer if I ever need be, or if I ever need it as we're short on employees that day, or who knows what happens, right? So I created this for fun, for you, for me, and I can't wait to use it out in the field. Tested it out with the 400-pound concrete blocks to lift Marquee tents. Now I bought this thing not to install Marquee tents, but I bought it to install pole tents, which this week I'm going to be installing a pole tent with it. So we'll see a video of that later, but this is just my fun little contraption. Some of you have tent boxes, and I've seen pictures of you building stuff like this, so probably cool to see me build something like this too. This is the skid steer here. It's an LR23 Chinese skid steer. Thanks for watching, everyone. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you enjoyed my little experiment with the skid steer. We'll see you on the next one. And as always, you stay classy.